I mean, think about it. Even in your own family,
Yeah.
even though you can love your family, you love your family member, you still get hurt.
Yeah.
Which, being Easter weekend, I think that this is a great topic to even discuss about this. But let's look at Judas and Jesus.
Yeah.
You know, Jesus knew that Judas was going to betray him.
But Judas still ate at the table.
He did.
Yeah.
Jesus still invited him to come in. Jesus still trusted him enough to be the treasurer, talking about money. He was still part of Jesus's inner circle.
Mm-hmm.
Before he betrayed him, Jesus actually knelt down and washed his feet as a humbling effort.
Yeah.
But yet, and then before Jesus had even, after it happened, Jesus knew that it was time for Judas to betray him, and he still called him friend.
Yeah.
You know, so if all the people out there could be like Jesus, and still, even knowing that Judas betrayed him, even though knowing that Judas hurt him, even though knowing that Judas was the one that was going to cause him so much pain, he still forgave him.
Yeah.
And that's deep.
It is. I mean, like I said, he knew that Judas was going to betray, but he still ate at the table.
Hmm?
You know, could you do that? If you knew, for example, me, just for example, because I'm sitting in the room with you. If you knew that I was going to betray you to the point to where you were going to be killed over it, could you sit at the same table and eat with me?
No.
Yeah, I don't think I could either.
Mm-mm.
You know, because I would just despise you probably. You know what I mean?
Right.
And that's the human side coming out.
That is the human side of us.
That's the evil
I'm
coming
not
out.
Jesus.
I'm not Jesus
I'm not
either.
that pure.